Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Siraj Chowdhury. So in this video, I will show you how to create a Shopify online store. It's a very easy process, but at first we know why you need to create a Shopify store. Uh, if you sell any product, any online product or physical product, any drop shipping product, you must need a website. So this is the platform, e-commerce platform where you can sell your product. Okay, so that we need to a Shopify account. So what it is a very easy process. I am share you step by step. I am sharing you how to create a Shopify store. So at first you need to search Shopify store. Then you can see here the Shopify dashboard, Shopify website. This is the Shopify website. Okay, so you can log in here. At first you can see this is the free trial. Okay, Shopify store is the paid version. If you want to sell your product, you need to buy their plan. So this is the basic plan. It's there for free, 3 months per $1. Okay, $1 for 3 months. It's a basic plan for Shopify. So the is normally we need to click login. Then here you need to add your account, or I already have account, so that I don't need to. You can add here. You need to click add account. Then you need to add your mail, add your proper address, so that you can go your Shopify account. Okay, then you come for choose an account. You have a interface like choose an account. Then here, when you complete your Shopify login, then you can see here is the dashboard, Shopify admin. Okay, Shopify admin dashboard. This is you can to clear. I had many stores. So what you need to do, you need to do click create store. Okay, so you need to click a create store. So what you need to describe some about your store. You're just starting your business. If you're just starting your business, you click here, or if you already you have already any store, so you need to click this option. So this is not a mandatory. I am just click I am just starting. Then next, it's an online store and I am a person, and online marketplace. My target is online marketplace, and existing website also I have a social media. Not or you can also skip this one. This is not mandatory, but I select all the option. I just skip this option. Okay. So now you need to select your region. Okay, if you are in USA, you need to select USA. You need to search here United States or anything. So I am Bangladeshi, so I am Bangladesh. I select Bangladesh. Okay. So next, then it takes some. You need to choose your account. This is my account, Siraj Chowdhury. I simply choose it. Now it takes some time to create your online store. Okay, it will be created very soon. Okay, done. Your online store is already created. Okay, so now you can see here faster. You can see here extend your trial. I already have 3 days. Okay, I can use this trial only 3 days. In 3 days, then after these 3 days I can't access this store. I need to create new, or I need to buy, select their plan. Here you can see their plan. Basic plan is $1. Is Shopify, or the premium standard plan is $1 also, and the advance is $1. It's about 3 months. Okay, so you can buy your plan from Shopify pricing. Okay, select plan. So now, second thing, we need to set up your store. You must need to set up your store. How can you set up? So you need to set up this. Go to your settings. Here you can see the settings option. Store name. So you need to give your any store name. Like I simply give my store name HT. Okay, it's my store name. This is my mail. Okay, then save. Also you can add your shop phone. Then you can see here is the current by Bangladeshi currency is BDT, and you can add your USD, dollar, GBP, in any currency that your country recommends. Then time zone you can select, it's automatically added when you select your region. Okay, you don't need any changes. Okay, second option, you need to check your plan. Okay, here you are using a blessing trial plan, you don't have any plan, so you need to update your payment method. Okay, so we can go to payment. Okay, payment provider supported, so you need to just choose the payment provider. You need to first set up your payment. So which payment you add on your Shopify account or Shopify store. So this is the payment like Visa, Mastercard, Amex. So you can choose any payment method that is approvable in your country. Okay. Then simply we come into the taxes and duties. Okay, this is my Bangladesh. That's why there is no taxes in Bangladesh. So if you need to just provide your proper address for taxes, if you want taxes or if you want to keep taxes from your Shopify account, you need to click this option. Okay, this is the shipping delivery. If you go this option, so which country, like if you want to give free shipping in your country, like if you, I give free shipping in all the Bangladesh, so I just provide free, or the others international, you need to pay this amount. Okay, for shipping. Okay. So the next one is update my payment method into payment method update. So here's the billing option. Okay, go to the billing and you need to update your payment, add payment. Then you need to add your card. If you credit card or PayPal, so you just select PayPal. Okay, is the PayPal. So you need to connect. I don't have any PayPal, that's why I card. Then your card number, expire, CVV pronoun, region, your name. Make sure this is your NID or this is your passport name. Fill it accurately. Your address, apartment, city, postal code, all give. If you don't know about your postal code, you can simply search on Google. Uh, like I live in Khulshi. It's Khulshi area. This is my area name. So I want to know the Khulshi Chittagong zip code. Okay. So this is scam. The zip code, the postal code is coming. This is the zip code 4225. So you just simply add here. Then add credit. You can add many payment method, like you can add your bank details, your PayPal, your credit card, anything you can. Okay, there's no issue. So this is the basic information, and this is the main point. So how to create your store and how to create your payment in your store. Now you need to must have a domain. So in this click here domain, you can see the domain. So you can buy domain or connect your existing domain. Like if you have a domain already, you buy any domain, you just click here to connect existing domain. Click your domain here, then next. So or you can need to you want to buy domain from Shopify, you need to select your domain. Like I search Siraj, sorry, ist.com. I need to check. This is not available. Okay, this is not available. Like I just search my name, Siraj Chowdhury.com. This is the available. So if I need the .com available, it's 15 USD per year. If I want net, it's 18 USD. If the info, it's you can buy your suitable domain. Okay, or you can connect your domain from this option. So all are done. This is the actually tutorial how to create your Shopify account and how to add your payment and domain by using in your Shopify account. Also, one more thing, you need to add in themes. This is the designing part. In my next video, I will show you how to add theme and or how to design your Shopify store, how to add product, or how to generate conversation right in Shopify store in my videos. Thank you for watching these videos.